3D printing technology has revolutionized the way we create and customize objects. From small trinkets to complex machinery parts, 3D printing has become an indispensable tool for designers and engineers alike. With the rise of electric vehicles, 3D printing has become a valuable tool in the customization and personalization of these vehicles. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 3D prints for a Tesla Model Y. Number 1. Liner for Tesla Mobile Connector Bag. The Tesla Mobile Connector Bag, or TMC, is a handy device that allows you to charge your Tesla Model Y on the go. However, the TMC bag is not always the most durable or protective, and can sometimes leave the TMC exposed to scratches and other damage. This is where the 3D printed liner for the TMC bag comes in handy. A custom liner can provide extra protection for the TMC and prevent it from getting damaged during transport. Additionally, a liner can help organize the TMC cable, keeping it from getting tangled or knotted. Number 2. Tesla Mobile SX3 Cable Organizer. The charging cable for the Tesla Model Y can be quite long and bulky, making it difficult to store neatly. A 3D printed cable organizer can be a great solution for keeping the cable organized and out of the way. A cable organizer can also prevent damage to the cable by keeping it from being dragged or stepped on. The custom cable organizer is designed to mount perfectly on the wall of your garage to keep your charge cables neatly stored when not in use. Number 3. Tesla J1772 Charger Adapter Lock. The J1772 charger adapter is a commonly used charging adapter for electric vehicles, including the Tesla Model Y. However, the adapter can be quite expensive and is prone to theft. A 3D printed adapter lock can provide an inexpensive solution for securing the adapter to the charging cable. The adapter lock is designed to fit perfectly over the adapter, preventing it from being removed without being unlocked by the owner. Number 4. Tesla Model 3 and Y Visor Sunglass Clip. The Tesla Model Y Sun Visor, while functional, does not come equipped with a clip to hold sunglasses. For drivers who need a convenient and secure place to store their sunglasses while driving, this can be a minor inconvenience. However, there is a simple and easy solution to this problem. By utilizing the power of 3D printing, a custom-designed visor sunglass clip can be created to fit perfectly onto the visor and hold sunglasses of various sizes and shapes. This 3D printed clip can provide drivers with peace of mind knowing that their sunglasses are safe and easily accessible while on the road. Number 5. Tesla Model 3 and Y Console Tray with J1772 slot. The console of the Tesla Model Y can be quite spacious, but without proper organization, it can quickly become cluttered. A 3D printed console tray can be a great solution for keeping small items organized and easily accessible. A custom console tray can be designed to fit perfectly in the console of the Model Y and can include a slot for storing the J1772 charger adapter when not in use. In conclusion, 3D printing technology has opened up a world of possibilities for customizing and personalizing electric vehicles like the Tesla Model Y. These top 5 3D prints for a Tesla Model Y are just a few examples of the many ways in which 3D printing can be used to improve the functionality and convenience of an electric vehicle. With the help of a 3D printer and some creativity, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.